Hello beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to be talking about the pH scale and why it's important when it comes to your skin and hair care, as well as the products that you use. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. I promise it won't hurt.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there.
So, good morning you guys, your girl Eunice here, and so we're going to be talking about the pH scale. I'm going to try to be as clear in this video as possible and try to just make it real simple, real easy, because I'm not a scientist, okay? No, I'm a cosmetologist. We learned this in school. We went over the pH scale in school, but I'm just going to make it real simple for us to get on a basic level as far as like just when it comes to skin and hair. Okay, so we're gonna get into this. Okay, so first we're going to talk about what is the pH scale, so that you guys know what is the pH scale. What are we talking about first before we even start? So the pH scale, pretty much pH means potential of hydrogen. So it's a numeric scale 0 to 14 used to measure the acidity or the acidity or base of a substance. Okay, that's what the pH scale is. So I have a pH scale here that I printed out and written on and all that fun stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and try to hold it up for you guys here, and hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, so pretty much the pH scale 0 to 14. So 0 to 6 on the pH scale is considered acidic, and then they have a bunch of examples like battery acid is 0. What's it called? Stomach lining acid is a 1, and then you have like lemon juice, apple cider vinegar is a 2, and so grape, you know, it just keeps going down to 6, which is pretty much saliva and urine. And then number 7 is neutral, so that's just neutral, and then everything from 8 to 14 is alkaline. For example, let's put it into beauty talk here so that it's more understandable for all of us here since this is a beauty channel. So I have, for example, relaxer. Now you guys know relaxer is sodium hydroxide. It's really alkaline. It can burn through the skin. That is what that is. That is that 14. That is that relaxer. That is that powerful stuff, okay? And then you have something like apple cider vinegar, which is a 2. Acids and alkaline can cancel out each other, okay? So you can mix an acid and alkaline together and they can kind of cancel out each other and balance each other out. For example, right, I have here that the hair is a pH balance of 4.5 through 5.5. The skin is a pH balance of 5.5, right? For example, let's just say you want to do a apple cider vinegar rinse on your hair. So apple cider vinegar is super acidic. The further up you go, the lesser the number, the more acidic it is. So it's a number 2. So it's pretty acidic. So let's say you would add water to it, a neutral, to balance out that acid, okay? Another example, let's say you want to make a face mask, right? You want to make a baking soda face mask, let's just say. So you'll take a baking soda, which is a number 9, and you will probably mix it with something more so like apple cider vinegar and maybe some water or something to balance it out. Why this is important when it comes to your skincare and your hair care is because depending on the pH balance of a product or what you're using, whether it's apple cider vinegar, whether it's a relaxer, whether it's baking soda, lemon juice, that can throw off the pH with your skin or hair. And when you throw off that pH, all of a sudden you have those issues of your hair maybe being too dry or too brittle, or you just start to have those issues. Same thing with the skin. The skin is a pH of 5.5. So if you are putting something that's too acidic on the skin or too alkaline, it could throw off that pH balance. You can have dryness, you can have flakiness, you can have very irritated skin. Another reason why this is important, when it comes to your cosmetics, your hair products, your skincare products, this is kind of like the science behind it. If you ever turn over your product and you look at it and you see that it has like sodium hydroxide in it, and then from that it has probably like some citric acid in it, and that's just the way of balancing out the pHs of those those substances so they can be used on the skin so that they don't burn the skin or they don't throw the pH off. So it's also important that you know that, because that is involved a lot in hair care, skincare, and cosmetics products as well. Lastly, there is a way for you to test your products. They have something called Litmus Paper. I don't know if you could probably get it off of Amazon or something like that. I actually want to get some and actually test a few of my products and just see what it does, and I will share that with you guys when I do that. But they have something called Litmus Paper, and what you do is that you can take the paper and you can use that to test your products. So you can test your body washes, your shampoos, your lotions. You can test those to see what those pHs are before you use them, or just to get more knowledge behind your products, because a lot of times people may not know, like, why is this breaking me out, or what's going on, or I used apple cider vinegar in my hair and my hair was like destroyed. And it's just like, you gotta level that out. You can't just use something on its own, just like with relaxer. You can't just throw relaxer in your hair, leave it there forever, and not balance it out with what is it, like a treatment afterwards or whatnot. Like, you have to always balance out those two substances in order for you to have healthy hair and healthy skin. Hopefully that was pretty to the point and you guys can understand. Like I said, I'm not real sciencey behind it. The whole potential hydrogen and all that stuff, I'm not going to get into all that. I just wanted to really talk about the basics of the pH scale and how that is important when it comes to balancing out the or balancing out that acidic and the alkaline, and just really keeping that in mind, that those play a role in how products affect your skin, how your skin reacts to products, and things of that sort. Just keeping it pretty basic. So hopefully that was beneficial to everybody out there and you guys took something from it. If you guys have any additional information about the pH scale that I didn't touch on and you guys want to throw it out there, leave it in the comments. It's all about information, informative beauty, and share it with us. Let's talk about it. Let's get the conversation going. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.